Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unshare Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. After that, tap the profile icon at the right top. Then, at the bottom, you need to click at the Google Photos settings. Right here, you need to click at the sharing line, then manage sharing activities. And firstly, we have shared link. Tap at this line and remove some links if you don't need them. Just click at the trash icon and then delete. Then go back, go to shared memories, do the same, and you can also leave some conversation if you don't need it. Let's say you can click at the conversation, then click at the three dots, options, and click leave, and leave. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.